So there's a hornet's nest right there above the service box. And they're buzzing in by the thousands. Just kidding, just by the hundreds. But I'll see if I can get a good view of it so you can see how they're buzzing in there. It's right there above it. And I'm standing about 15 feet back, straight in front of the hole, off to the side a little bit, and every couple seconds one buzz right by my head. There's 3 or 4 right there. I'll get a little closer, see if I can avoid getting stung. I'm not scared. I'm a beekeeper. See, that guy's right there. That focus is a little off because I'm zoomed in a lot. I'll zoom it back a little. They're just going in and out of that hole, building up something. Just a little crack in the brick grout. They're all over it. They have been sprayed once with Raid. Don't recommend that product. It doesn't spray very far, and it's not like that foamy stuff. The Hornet spray is the stuff. It shoots like 30 feet. I was standing like point blank on that thing. I wasn't doing shit. There's 3 of them at the hole now. There's another one coming in, another one coming in, going out. Just all day long. They're all over the gutters. I mean, I'm in the zone right now. I'll get 1 foot closer. I'm 4 feet from it. They're all going in. It's crazy. They're flying all around. All right. They should be gone soon.